Okay, it's back to idle again, and I am not really sure why. But maybe you can help me out with this. So first of all, I have a Solax 15 kilowatt hybrid inverter. This is the G4 version, and I am using this in lead acid mode. That's really important to know here. Normally, if you have this in lithium ion mode, you will not have this problem at all. That's really important to know. So I am controlling this inverter from this Raspberry Pi that are controlling the inverter via Modbus, and it is working just fine. So let's say that the energy prices are high, then my Raspberry Pi are telling my inverter to take the energy out from the battery. So it raised the discharge current up to 25 amps as I have ordered it to do when the energy prices will go up over a preset threshold there. And then my inverter just take the energy out from the battery just perfectly. And then when the energy prices goes down again, it will set that value down to 0 amps, and my inverter will then go over to idle mode, not standby mode, which is a little bit strange because now it will be standing there. So let's now say that the energy prices goes back up again over that preset threshold that I have set into my Home Assistant. The Home Assistant will then raise that current back up to 25 amps, and my inverter are receiving that information. I can see that in the settings of the inverter itself that it actually has received that information. So you can see 25 amp of discharge current in the settings there. But still it will be in idle mode. Why is my question. Am I controlling this discharge current in the wrong way? Should I use the time select instead? That's what I am using now, because now when the energy prices are fluctuating very much as they are doing, I really need this system to work. So I have now just taken away all the automations and doing this manually. So I just check the energy prices the next following day and set the timers in time select of Home Assistant, and then my inverter will never go into idle mode. It will just stand by instead, not idle as it does right now. If this is something that you guys recognize and maybe have a solution on, please let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye.